For over 2,000 years, the Great Wall of China has stretched across mountains, deserts, and valleys. It stands as one of the most ambitious projects in human history. Originally built as separate fortifications by rival kingdoms, the earliest walls date back to the 7th century BC, long before China was unified. Early structures used rammed earth and wood. Later, dynasties replaced them with bricks, stone blocks, and massive watchtowers. The goal was simple: protect Chinese states from invasions and threats from northern nomadic tribes. Over generations, separate walls were connected, expanded, and reinforced, forming a staggering network over 13,000 miles long. The wall wasn't just a barrier, it was a communication system. Watchtowers signaled danger using smoke by day and fire by night, traveling across vast distances in minutes. The construction required enormous effort. Millions of workers, soldiers, farmers, laborers, and prisoners contributed to this colossal undertaking over centuries. In some regions, the terrain was so extreme that transporting materials was nearly impossible. Builders carried bricks by hand or pulled them on sled platforms. Today, the Great Wall remains the longest man-made structure ever created. Its full scale can only be truly understood by witnessing its vastness. It stands as a symbol of endurance, sacrifice, strategic power, and the incredible capabilities of human determination. The Great Wall didn't just protect a kingdom. It shaped a civilization, and its legacy still echoes across the mountains of China.